afternoon, good evening, everybody.
Hello. Good evening.
And no, I'm not playing Deliverance. Don't even ask. And there was someone else out there asking if I play Deliverance, and no. So, my brother-in-law's moving house, and he wants me to look after 4 of his really precious instruments. So I thought, well, bugger it, I'm going to play one. And, this is actually the nicest banjo I've ever played. It's a magnificent old thing. So I'm not a great banjo player, but I thought, bugger it, I'm going to play it. Originally wrote it to be played on banjo, so here's a song about it's a whaling song, basically about a love song about a bloke going away whaling
Jenny
from Albany. I went to Albany a few years ago, and such a beautiful historic place.
Albany.
And I wrote this song about the old whaling days. westerly winds will blow as we raise the sails to home from our search for wind in the southern ocean. For my girl, she will be waiting there for me as we sail into the port of Albany. Oh, the winds did roar as we sail from the shore. Soon be hunting in the seas of the south. Water is spray freezer burns out you, hoisted high for the water spout. Harpoon is ready, keep it steady. Hunting waves in the Atlantic South. All the westerly winds will blow as we raise the sails to home from our search for wind in the southern ocean. For my girl, she will be waiting there for me as we sail into the port of Albany. It's a damn tough life, and I miss my wife, but I'll be home soon if things go right. With 3 young children, another on the way, I'm working hard for a good day's pay. Westerly winds will blow as we raise the sails to home from our search for wind in the southern ocean. For my girl, she will be waiting there for me as we sail into the port of Albany. We sail into the port of Albany.
Hey.
Thank you very much. Because most old songs were written in 3 chords, I'll do another song on the same chords. This one's actually written by me, but in that same old style, mate. When you got a banjo, you got to write songs about hillbillies or white spirits, stills, hound dogs. So here's one about all of those. And possum stew. And kissing your cousin. I'm a hillbilly, take my tooth out to talk. I'm a hillbilly, don't wear boots to walk. I'm a hillbilly, banjo's got 1 string. I'm a hillbilly, wouldn't change a thing. Smoke rises slowly over flight. I'm a hillbilly, take my tooth out to talk. I'm a hillbilly, Tony boots to walk. I'm a hillbilly, band has got one string. I'm a hillbilly, didn't change a thing. Baby sister Billy Sue will dance and hold. I'm so proud she gets to keep her clothes on. Police will come for miles past the street. Hound dogs will dance whole night through. I'm a hillbilly, take my tooth out to talk. I'm a hillbilly, Tony boots to walk. I'm a hillbilly, band has got one string. I'm a hillbilly, wouldn't change a thing. See, that's how we do it in the hills down south. Life don't mean nothing without family around. I'm a hillbilly, take my tooth out to talk. I'm a hillbilly, Tony boots to walk. I'm a hillbilly, band has got one string. I'm a hillbilly, wouldn't change a thing. Thank you, sir. I've had it for a while. That's it for me. Or do you want another song? Shall we? One more? Okay, here's a little short one. I love gospel music and I really, I like listening to it. I'm not religious at all, but I just love gospel music.
Last time I spoke to Joe, I was yesterday.
So here's a little gospel song that I wrote. It's actually sort of based around the Civil War and slavery in America.
No, nothing's been said about that.
Lord, won't you save me? Lord, won't you save me? Save me from this hell.
Yeah, I just wanted to say if you were and
Whipping my pants,
yeah. You know,
making me bleed,
yeah, I will be. Yeah.
hurting my
I
back,
was gonna go around and go see Mark and see
making me deep.
photos, if there's any photos.
Lord,
like buses, gardens and stuff in there. So I know she's so
won't you save me? Lord, won't you save me?
yeah.
Save me from this hell.
Yeah.
Ankles in shackles, chained at night.
You know, what is that off?
Speak to my Lord.
I reckon she have photos there somewhere.
I need to fight. Patience, he said. You will be free to walk this land, and no man's here. Lord, won't you save me?
Well, he has more than that, but yeah. So he's got
Lord,
twins, which were the twins, as well as one that, yeah.
won't you save me? Save me from this land. Give me the strength. Show me the way. praying.
Yeah, no one's
Lord,
either. I don't know, I just thought I'd.
won't you save me?
Is Master at the home phone? Yeah, I might just ring that.
Lord, won't you save me?
Yeah, no, I won't go tonight. I'll wait and I'll just ring Mark and see. I've got to get on. I've got work and stuff.
Thank you very much.
I'll sort that
And
out and I'll go see.
a tip for all banjo players,
Sit there and go
you
do
wear
some bracelets
bracelets.
or whatever else.
Make sure you turn it upside down because the straps will get caught in the bridge, in the tail bridge. Thank you for listening.
I call that one Night Flower. This is, I call this one Why I'm Mad. as it flows to bring us life. Can you hear hallelujah in the brightness of the light? Can you hear tears fall with the heartbeat taking flight? And the whisper of the crying in the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night. In the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night. Can you see the beating heart as it beats to guide you home? Can you see the flag flying from the temple of the stone? Can you see the perfect heart of heart easy in your sight and the wonder of your joy in the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night? In the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night. Can you feel the ocean your skin? Can you feel the heartbeat of the raindrop deep inside your eye? And the peace of summer's night in the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night. In the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night. Can you see the shadow in the window of reflection? Can you see the deadly fathom that the heart of hearts possess? Can you see the hallelujah as it arches out of sight, and the victory of surrender in the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night? In the rhythm of the heartbeat of the night.
Fact that I've had the life squeezed out of me by what I refer to as the unloved carnage of my past relationships, and their terrible, hideous breakups. Lies were told, things were thrown, awful things, unconscionable things said and done. And I've got to stop doing that. When we broke up, she wanted to stay friends. I thought it was a tad optimistic, because coming from my side of things, that would have been like spending 15 years in prison, getting paroled, and you walk through the gates and take your first breath of free air. And suddenly the prison guards grab you and drag you back inside. And we got the wrong Jim Rice. Because I had a lot of anger and resentment towards her. But I'm proud to say I worked through those issues. And I wrote this song. It's called She's Stuffed in the Head. Righto, music lovers, leave the room. I wish I was joking. You know, every ex that I've ever had has said, play us the song, Jim, but none of them have ever said, play another one. And this particular one, she was very nasty about it. She had all these clever ways to make me shut up. Like once I'm playing and dogs singing with me like, oh, beautiful. And I'm singing and dog's going, oh. And she's like, for God's sakes, play something dog don't know. Which I thought was really unfair to Dog, because he sings better than I do. Another time I went to pick up the guitar and she put knitting needles in her ears. I said, what are you doing? She said, well, you're just about to play, so I'm just about to put me out of myself out of my pain and misery.
Oh dear.
I said, well, after you finish with the ears, can you cut your tongue out and put me out of mine?
That was sharp.
You gotta become the monster so that you don't get killed by the monster. You notice that I haven't said her name, and I won't be saying any of my ex's names tonight. That's to protect the guilty. Besides, I don't remember most of their names, just the pain they caused me. I do have nicknames for some of them. This one's called She Who Shall Not Be Named.
Voldemort.
When you first left me, I was angry, I was mad. You ripped my heart out, and I was sad. was in a lot of pain and I wanted you to feel the same. But in my anger I done some things I regret. Like sleeping with your sister while she's wearing your clothes. Stealing the car, running over your toes. Painting all your car windows grey. Selling your undies on eBay. I know I shouldn't have broken in and tied you to the bed. Smeared you with fish oil, shaved your head. Called your mum and told her you were dead. Spared your bum till it turned red. No, I shouldn't have broken in and tied you to the bed. Well, we already done that, so let's go on. And I know I've done a lot of other things that just weren't cool. Putting a cockroach in your kettle, weed in your shampoo bottle, calling your new boyfriend a tool, doing a crap in his pool. Actually, I don't regret that one. You don't know how long it took me to think of these revenges.
Caddyshack.
My doctor said, if you're riding down, then you get it off your chest and you won't feel like doing it. Ooh, it's so wrong. Turned out to be a handy checklist. I know that you wanted to remain friends, but all I wanted was revenge. And I know that you asked me if you thought we'd stay in contact. I said only if I'm rear-ending you in a Big Mac. Only if I'm behind the wheel of the Big Mac. And now, this is the end. Thank you for that indulgence. I appreciate it. My name's Jimmy, thanks very much.
Jimmy, I appreciate it.